Hello everyone, this is Amit Kanoj here. Today I'm going to explain about XSS, database security and demo of XSS. So let's start. This is an introduction of XSS website. Today more complex than ever. Containing a lot of dynamic content, making the experience for the user more enjoyable. Dynamic content is achieved through the use of web application which deliver different output to user depending on their settings and needs. Dynamic website suffer more threat in comparison to static website of cross-site scripting. Called XSS. Now, what is XSS? We should discuss about what is XSS. What is XSS? XSS is XSS occur when an application gather or take malicious data from user, that is usually gather in the form of hyperlinks which contain malicious content within it. The user will most likely click on this link from another website. Instant messaging, instant message, or simply just reading a web board or email message. Usually, attacker will encode the malicious portion of the link to the site in hex or other encoding methods. So the less suspicious looking to user which clicked after the data is collected by web application. It creates an output page for user containing the malicious data that was originally sent to it, but in a manner to make it appear as a valid content from website. Many popular guestbook and forum program allow user to submit post with HTML and JavaScript embedded Now I'm gonna give a demo of how to perform an XSS attack. Just before that, I will explain about the database security. Database concern the use of a broad range of information security controls to protect a database, potentially including the data, the database application or stored function, the database system, and the database server, associated network links against the compromise of their confidentiality, integrity, and availability. That is called the CIA, the basic three main pillar of information security. It involves a various type of category of controls such as technical, procedural, administrative, physical. The database security is a specialist topic or the area within the broader realm of computer security, information security, and the risk management. The security risk of a database involves the authorized or unintended activity or misuse by authorized database user, database administrator, network system manager, or the unauthorized use or the hacker. The malware infection causing incidents such as unauthorized access, leakage of disclosure of personal or proprietary data, deletion of or damage of the data or the programs. Many information security controls are appropriate to the database security, like access control, that is selective restriction of access, place or thing. Auditing, the second is auditing, that is observing data so as to be aware of the function or the action of the database user. Authentication, it is the act of confirming the truth of an attribute of the single piece of a data claimed true by the any entity. And next is encryption, the process of encoding message or information in such a way that only authorized party can read the data. Integrity controls refers to the maintaining of or assuring the accuracy and consistency of the data, means that whatever the data is transmitted from the sender to the receiver, that should maintain its accuracy, means whatever the data is transferred by the sender, that should be received by the receiver. There should be no modification in between that. Backup, backing up or the creating a clone copy of data. Application security, it encompasses measures taken throughout the code's life cycle to the prevent gaps in a security policy. Now I'm going to show you how to perform XSS in DVWA, Damn Vulnerable Web Application. Before that, I will tell you how to access your friend's DVWA in their machine from your own machine. It's very quite easy. You can access their machine for the DVWA. For that, you have to do some slight changes in the configuration file. There is an .htaccess file in the DVWA. Find it. Just go to C drive. Find the XAMPP. Find the docs. Find DVWA. And find .htaccess. Here it is. Open in Notepad. Find deny from all. It is here. Deny from all. Just convert it allow from all and you will be able to access their machine for the DVWA only. How? Just type URL here, their IP address /XAMPP. Then you will access their XAMPP folder. But we don't need to access their XAMPP. We need to access their DVWA. So replace XAMPP by DVWA -1.0.8 as per their version, whatever the version DVWA they are using. I'm not gonna show you this. I'll show you how to perform XSS in DVWA. Just for that, log in into DVWA. Just do some slight changes here. Just have a look. Go to the setup and reset the database. Okay, it is done. Now we'll move to the XSS reflected. What the XSS reflected it is. Let's see what it do. Let's try hello world. Okay, it is giving me output hello hello. Let's try something else. It's again giving me hello admin. What does it mean? When it shows the same value means that there's no filtering, means that whatever the input is gained by the user, it is reverted back to the user as an output, means that the filtering is not working. So let's try some script. Remove this. Let's see what it do. There is a simple opening tag of script, there is an alert, and there is a message Amit. It will generate a pop-up having message Amit. Let's see whether it works or not. Yeah, it works. Okay, let's try in the stored XSS something else, or let's see one thing more here. As we know about h1 tag in HTML, that is the biggest font size in the HTML. Let's see whether it works here or not. Yeah, it works. Let's try something in stored XSS. Now I'm creating a function. Now you can see that I'm not able to write anything else here. What happens? The limit of the text box is over. Then what to do? Nothing to worry. We can extend the limit also. We just need to modify the HTML form of this text file. We'll do it from here. Let's have a look how we'll do it. Here is the max length and there's a length limit is 50. Make it as per your need. Hit enter. Now you can see I'm able to write here. Let's see what this script do. There's a opening tag of script, and there's a function called redirect, and the window location will be redirected to the google.com, very well known URL. There's script, closing tag of script, and the body. And onload is redirect. Whenever the page is reloaded, it will be redirected to above URL. Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, wait for some time. Click on this. Refresh the page. Yeah, it works. Several times, sometimes you need to refresh the page. Let's try it once more. Yeah, it works. Let's try it once more. Yeah, it works. Let's reset the database. Try something else here. Can we fetch the session ID? Is it easy? Yes, quite easy. We can fetch the session ID also. Let's try this in XSS Reflector. Then we'll try it here. There is simple script. There's opening tag of script. There's an alert and document. Alert means it will generate a pop-up with the document.cookie. It will give a session ID, and there's a closing tag of script. Let's see whether it works or not. Yeah, actually it works. This is the session ID. Let's try this in the XSS store. The same script here. Let's see. Yeah, actually it works here also. When we do this, there is a session ID is here. We can fetch the session ID of anyone. Okay. There is another session ID. Why it happens, I will tell you. It happens for this reason. Because whenever the any script is run, entered or executed, it will be stored, and after that when another script is entered or executed, then it will be again stored after that. When the page is reloaded, then the first script will be come first, output will be first, and the output of the second script will be second. Then it is the stored scripting. Well, let's reset the database and try to do something else. Whether we can access the data uploaded using the script or not, we can. It's very easy. We can do it. Let's upload some data. There's a penetration test organization.pdf. Let's upload this. Yeah, it's successfully uploaded. Let's copy this. We have to extend the limit of this. Let's extend the limit. Now paste this. Here is a script. Window.location is equal to http 127.0.0.1 dvwa108 hackable upload penetration test organization.pdf. What it does is 127.0.0.1 dvwa is a directory of dvwa, and where the penetration test organization pdf is stored, that will be fetched from there. Okay, let's see whether this script is work or not. Yeah, actually it works. We have the PDF now. Let's see whether it works again or not. Yeah, it works actually. So we can fetch the data, whatever the uploaded, if we have a last link of particular data. Let's try something. Okay, we have to reset the data. Okay, data is reset now. Let's try something. Let's see whether this script works or not. Yeah, actually it works. Okay, let's try this. The scripting language, it will work in between two words or not. Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, first is Amit, which is the first script was entered. Now it is hello Amit. Okay, it works. And now here you can see the hello word. That was the first word hello. There was a string script in between, and last word friends. And the script has gone in the pop-up, and the word is here. We have done a lot of work in DVWA. Let's try something in the particular website. Let's try Altro Mutual. There is a website. We can try something here also. Let's try here something. The site is open. To check whether site is vulnerable to JavaScript or not, it's very easy. Just type something. Hit enter. Okay, there is no problem. Search is not available. Let's try something else. This is a simple alert box having message Amit. Let's see whether it works or not. Yeah, it works. Means the site is vulnerable to JavaScript. So along with JavaScript, we can do anything with the site. So I'll do something more. Let's see. Now the script is JavaScript. there's a script in opening tag, and there's a window.location that will redirect to particular website, that is http www.facebook.com. And let's see whether it redirects to Facebook or not. Here we go. And actually it is still working. Let's see whether it works or not. Yeah, it works. It has been redirected to Facebook, and it's amazing. It works. Let's try it again. Yeah, it's redirected to Facebook. Now it's all about from my side. I thought you have learned a lot from whatever I told you, whatever I show you. That's I think it would be a very beneficial for you. You learn a lot. Thank you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.